Hello and welcome to my Hastasoft video blog. Some days ago I started a private mission to discover functionalities in Delphi I don't use until now or don't use often. And one functionality I found I will share with you, and this is here seated under project, options for project side. And when you call this command, you see here only this little window. It's not very self-explaining, so if you look into the help, you find a short description that you can create a project page where you can describe general information for your project, and you can organize it also that this page will be displayed at first when you open your project. But it was not so very easy to reach it because there are some circumstances that you have to take into account, and that's the reason that I make this short video to show you how this works. So here an HTML page is expected, but you can't create an HTML page by yourself and copy it to the folder and select it here. Now it's important that you create a new HTML page with Delphi itself, and you use here new, more, and web. And here you choose HTML page, and then one HTML page will be created, and I write only a short description here to get this page, and we save it all, and we save it into the project folder. I name it content htm. So, and now you can go to the project option command, and now you can select here the file. If you have the need for links to images or something like this, you can set here another folder, a subfolder from the project folder, and set OK. So, and now we save all, close the project. We start this project again, but we will see no start page. It is here in the project. So we can open it, but it's not displayed automatically. So to reach this, we have to close this all again, and then we go to the folder of this project. It is here, and then you have to look for the DSK file and delete it or rename it. If we now would start again the project, it will nevertheless don't show the start page, and the reason is that I have used a longer time the functionality here under Tools, Save and Desktop. This was activated, and you have to deactivate it. Without it don't work. And now it will work. When I start here this project again, then the start page will be displayed. So what kind of information you will set here is up to you. It's an HTML page, so you can make also some links to other locations, or also start files in Delphi itself. I used here my Pascal Project Manager and Editor. I have also here opened this same project here, and it has a a documentation function here where we can create documentation that I have already done. And now I have added a functionality to say that we can also create a project page for Delphi. Here we have to select this file that should be created. And now we set create, and a file will be created. And if we here now press F5, we will have this page created, and I have it done so that here is all the units are listed that in the project and also other units that are in the project folder, and we will display general information, project info, about third-party information and something like this. This are all information that comes from this dialog. Here can you enter this information, and that will be then also on this project page. And from here you can click on the file and the file will be opened. That could be in some situations really helpful. For example, I show you another project where I have used this functionality also. You see only some units here, and if I would use Control and F12, I will not find the units that are on the project. That reason is that I have included some units only about the implementation section or user section in the unit itself, and so it's the units are not in the project files. But they are here, and we can start it from here, for example. And that is also very helpful for me. And I have here also written down some important information what could be very helpful when you work for a longer time not with the project, and when you then start this project again, you can read this information here. I personally like this functionality, and I think I will use it more often, and I will extend these possibilities what one can do here. So I hope this information was helpful for you, and see you next. Bye bye.